Yes, of course, the world, so-called world, will not come to an end. World coming to an end, and such terms are very peripheral, very poor in concept sense. What is world? If it means planet Earth or the various forms of existence on planet Earth, of course, it will not come to an end. At least anywhere in the near future. All these predictions, polar shift, solar eruption and all are definitely truth. Planet alignment in the galactic plane and all will definitely trigger a lot of shifts, a lot of variations in the process and the process structures of the planet Earth. That is more or less sure. By this or that, like most of the civilizations of the past, most of them are under the ground. Conventionally, it is called excavation. Harappan, Mohenjo-daro, the pyramids, and many other archaeological sites are definitely always excavated. That means they are all covered by soil and many other rock formations and so on and so forth. So, so-called natural variations will definitely happen, and most of them will have sort of so-called serious consequences in the way human life as of now are structured and operated. That will very definitely shift. That is the shift which I am referring to. That shift may cause panic and anxiety, and people with courage and confidence and will only may survive those kind of so-called natural variations.